Big news coming out of Pretoria today as Zimbabwean opposition leader Job Sikhala has been granted bail. This follows his dramatic arrest last week on some very serious charges, possession of explosives. Let's break down what we know so far. Sikhala appeared before the Pretoria Magistrates Court this past Thursday to formally apply for bail. He was taken into custody after police reportedly discovered explosives inside his vehicle. While he was driving in the capital, the bail has been set at 10,000 rand. Sikhala's legal team is adamant about his innocence. His lawyer, Normal Malyalika, has strongly argued that the explosives were planted in his client's car. Sikhala himself has been quoted saying, "They have found out that these things have been planted in our car." This claim adds a whole new layer of political intrigue to the case, suggesting a possible setup. Is this a genuine criminal case? Or is there something more political at play? That's the question on everyone's mind. During the bail hearing, Malyalika emphasized that Sikhala is not a flight risk. He argued that his client is a prominent public figure who couldn't simply disappear without anyone noticing. He also pointed out Sikhala's strong family ties within South Africa, specifically in Johannesburg, which falls under the court's jurisdiction. The argument is clear. Sikhala has every reason to stay and fight these charges. The court seems to have agreed, at least for now, by granting him bail. He's expected to comply with all the conditions set by the court. For those who aren't familiar with him, Job Sikhala is a significant figure in Zimbabwean politics. He's a well-known opposition leader, often critical of the ruling party. His presence and subsequent arrest in South Africa have raised many eyebrows and sparked widespread discussion, both in Zimbabwe and among the Zimbabwean diaspora in South Africa. Many are watching this case very closely, as it could have significant political implications. The allegation that evidence was planted is particularly explosive, pardon the pun, because it echoes claims often made by opposition figures who feel they are being targeted. So, what happens next? Sikhala is out on bail, but the legal battle is just beginning. The prosecution will need to build its case and prove that the explosives genuinely belong to him, and that he had criminal intent. On the other hand, Sikhala's defense will be working tirelessly to prove that he was framed. They'll likely be investigating how the items could have ended up in his car without his knowledge. This will involve scrutinizing the police's actions, the chain of custody of the evidence, and looking for any potential motives for someone to plant such dangerous items. This case is developing rapidly, and it's one that touches on justice, politics, and the relationship between neighboring countries. We will be following every twist and turn of this story as it unfolds. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think the claims of a setup hold water? Let us know in the comments below. We're committed to bringing you the latest updates as soon as we get them. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay informed on this and other breaking news stories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support. See you in the next video.